First, plug the USB flash drive into the USB slot of the printer. Note that the USB flash drive only accepts FAT32 format. The printer will display a message to identify the USB drive. Press Continue to enter the USB drive page. To scan the document, press the menu. Press Store File. Set the required scanning functions as needed. Then, press the Start button to start scanning. Press Back. Scan complete. To remove the USB flash drive, first click the menu. Select Remove USB in the list. Press OK. Finally, you can remove the USB flash drive.